What's up people, I go by the name Omololu, but you can call me Omo. In celebration of International Dance Day, I have partnered with Childline by ISPCC, bringing to you a simple dance choreography that you can try out in your classrooms, at home with family, on the neighborhood with friends. Today's dance genre is Afro dance, straight from Nigeria. Without further ado, let's get straight into part one. Okay, so really important for all Afro style dance moves is that we stay on our toes at all times. It allows us to transition from one dance move to the next nice and quickly. With that being said, we start part one with our feet at a comfortable distance from one another. The first step is we go onto our toes and we do a double step. So 1, 2, and then one single step, a little bit wider. From this position then, we turn our heels outwards. As we turn our heels outwards, I'm going to kick my right leg to the left and my left leg to the right. So all together, I twist and then I kick and come back to the center. A lot of information. I'm just going to stick with the lower body to start off with. I'm going to demonstrate with me turning my back to you all. So once again, double step. 1, 2, slightly bigger step outwards, double turn of the heels, kick to the side, and we come back to our start position. I'm going to demonstrate with the counts now. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're back to our start position. Okay, we're going to transition then into a walk forward, not just any regular walk forward. What I want is our knees nice and soft, okay? As you step, the hips are pushing on each side, Don't be shy with it, okay? Hips pushing on each side. Okay, perfect. So all together, it's a 1, 2, and we stop. Okay, again, 1, 2, and we stop. Again, from the back, we go 1, 2, and we stop. All right, let's bring the arms in now for our part one. So we start with a big hug position, and we turn. As we turn the heels out, I'm coming in for a big clap, and I clap back to my start position, straight down into our walk. One hand on the steering wheel, opposite hand is by your hip. Now imagine you're knocking the hips side to side. 2, and stop. Okay, once again, all together, arms out. 1, 2, step, turn, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and we stop. Okay, once again, from the back, we go down, step, and turn. Okay, that's part one. Let's get into part two. As you know, we ended part one with one arm on the steering wheel, opposite arm right by our hips, and we're in a sort of soft knees position. From here, what we're going to do is actually transition nice and upright with both hands up, okay? Nice and upright, both hands are up, and we're going to hop back 3 times. Try to hop together with both feet together, I should say. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me step forward and demonstrate again. You can add a little bit of exaggeration, so like you're pushing the air away as you're hopping backwards. We can go 1, 2, 3. From this position, we're going to take a nice big step out. I'm going to take a nice big step out onto my right side. I'm going to keep the arms away from it for the time being so it doesn't get too confusing. Nice big step out to the side. I want my knees to be nice and soft in this position. Again, we're getting ready on our toes. So from this position, my hands are out. I'll take the hands out for the time being. Nice big step out to the right. What I'm going to do now is go back into that rotation at my feet where my heels are going to flick outwards. Heels flick out. Right foot steps behind my left foot. And my left foot steps out to the left side. Nearly got my coordinations off there. So I'll demonstrate again. Nice big step out. Twist of the ankles outwards. Right foot goes to the left. Left foot comes out to the left again to join me in this nice wide stance. From this position then, what you're going to do is take one step onto the right, one step onto the left, and very quickly then we go onto our left foot and take 2 steps to the back. So it goes 1, 2. Okay, lots of information. Again, I'm not bringing in the arms yet. I'm going to demonstrate, all together nice and slowly. From the hop, hands up, 1, 2, 3, step, twist, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, 5, 6, and we're ready to transition then into the next dance move. From behind, I'll demonstrate again. So we finished off our 1, 2, 3, step, twist, step, 1, 2. Okay, perfect. With the upper body, as you take a step out, what you're going to do is relax your arms by your side initially, and then we bring the shoulder blades up, and then we transition to the side. Shoulder blades are still bouncing on each of these steps. And then I go 1, 2. Again, just raising the shoulder blades up, and then we take 2 steps. 1, 2. Shoulder blades being raised up, and then from that position, 1, 2, 3. And we're ready to transition into our next part. Let's roll part 3. So before we break down part 3, I'm just going to run everything from the start so nobody is too confused from this moment onwards. So once again, we go 1 and 2 and da 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 1, 2, 3, step da 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 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, bounce. Okay, we're on to the next part. So from this position, as I nearly almost demonstrated, we're going to go onto our right heel. As we go onto our right heel, what we want is a bounce to come back to the center. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see. From this position, we're primed here. We want to bounce on our right heel, come back to the center, bounce on the left, bounce on the right, and we're ready to transition into our next dance move. So once again, it's really important we add the bounce. Okay, that adds a little bit more feeling and groove to it. We go 1, 2, 3 bounces. From this position, we step out. As you step out, again, soft knees, step out onto my left foot. I open, look through the window, close, open, close, open, close. All together once more. So on the right heel, I go 1, 2, 3. I open, close, open, close, open, close. From the back, let's demonstrate all together. So on my right heel, I bounce, 2, 3, open, close, open, close, open, and close. From that open, close, last position, what we're going to do then is raise the knee up, because we're going to hop from our left foot now. So raise my right knee up. I'm hopping from my left foot. I'm going to raise, and I'm going to go 1, 2, back down to the floor. Okay, let me demonstrate again. So I opened, I'm primed. In this position, I raise 1, 2, foot down. From here, depending on how you land, which I'm going to specify here, as we open and I raise 1, 2, I actually want to land a little bit further ahead, because from this position, I'm going to lean into my hip, lean in. As I lean in, I'm going to push my hip away, because I'm going to turn around. Okay, all together again. Let's do it one more time. So where will we start? Let's start from the bounce. 1, 2, 3, open, close, open, 2, open, 3, and 1, 2, step, push. I'm going to turn my head around, because what I'm going to do now is just like a freestyle walk where you're just feeling yourself, where you're going, dun, 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 to check. Just a little check. It's just like a little bounce. It's kind of freestyly in this position. We're gonna go 1, 2, whatever you feel like doing. Here you can be a little bit more creative with it. It's not so restrictive, so when I push my hip in, push, I'm walking away, a little bit of attitude. So all together once more, nice and slowly I go. 1, 2, 3, 1, close, 1, close, and close, and 1, 2, step, and push, on, All right, guys, let's see the final version with the music all together.